The Hatamoto was designed to be a knife you'll treasure for years, and one you can bet your life on in a pinch. It features a Sanmai 3 stainless steel blade, high-friction G10 handle, and strong, thick titanium liners and bolsters. For piercing power, it features a modified Tano point, which pierces like a dagger, yet remains remarkably resistant to bending or breaking.
Here I have the Hatamoto folding knife. I'm going to be stabbing this through a car hood. This is steel on steel impact. This is very dangerous and it's gross abuse on the knife. We don't recommend you to try this. For added safety, I'm going to have a half gauntlet and I have a lanyard to keep my hand from sliding down.
What I have here is a denim sleeve filled with meat. This is 15-ounce denim, the same weight denim cloth used in this denim jacket, the exact thing. We looked in all of Ventura County and bought the heaviest denim we could find, and we made sleeves out of it, and we filled it with meat, and now we're going to show you what our Hatamoto does. First thing I'm going to demonstrate is a snap cut, just using my wrist. That's just a very nice, relaxed stroke from my wrist with a snap cut. See how that secondary point bites in, opens that up like slick as grease. Unbelievable. Let's see how it cuts. Pretty respectable cut. Let's go again. Look at that. Big, gaping cuts through that denim. Look at that. Big cuts through that meat. Nothing stands in the way of cold steel.